name is Rishika Jain and today here I am teaching you structure of an atom. Structure of an atom is based on the model proposed by a scientist named Niels Bohr. Before him, many scientists tried to explain the structure of the atom, but they failed due to some drawbacks present in their model. Today we will discuss about these models as well as the revolutionary gold foil experiment. The first model was proposed by a scientist named J.J. Thomson. His model was much more similar to that of plum pudding or a watermelon. Have you seen a watermelon? It looked like a spherical body enclosing red pulp and embedded with black colored seed. Similarly, his model was like a spherical body in which positively charged cloud is present. That means this blank space inside this spherical body is what? Positively charged cloud, atomic cloud, and in which the negatively charged bodies are embedded, that are electrons. So he stated that the negatively charged particles are embedded in the positively charged atomic cloud. Now he also stated that the negative and positive charges present in an atom are equal in magnitude. That means they are equal in magnitude and they neutralize each other and make an atom stable to survive in the environment. Due to some drawbacks present in this model failed. The drawback was regarding the mass of the atom. The mass of the atom observed was much more larger than that of the sum of the masses of positively charged bodies and negatively charged bodies. That means mass of the atom was larger. Therefore, some subatomic particles, unknown subatomic particle is present, which is unknown. Since this particle was unknown and its nature is unknown, the scientists stated that this model failed because we can't explain the position and the function of that subatomic particle. After that, the Ernst Rutherford explained a gold foil experiment and stated many factors regarding the structure of the atom. He performed a gold foil experiment. Have you seen gold foil? You might have seen aluminium foil or silver foils. Aluminium foils in our daily life, our mother uses that aluminium foil for packaging our tiffin and all, for packaging rotis and all. And we have seen silver work over the sweets in the sweet shops, looking very delicious, right? Similarly, there is a gold foil, that means a thin sheet of gold present, and he took that gold foil and passed alpha particles through it. Now you will wonder, what are alpha particles? Alpha particles are positively charged helium ions. That is, they are positively charged helium ion where the electrons of the helium ions are removed. It have mass number of 4, that is 2 neutrons are present and 2 protons are present, that is 2 positively charged bodies, and negatively charged bodies are removed, therefore it gained 2 plus charge. Therefore the alpha particles are what? They are positively charged and they have 4 mass number and 2 positive charge body. Therefore these particles are known as what? Alpha particles, and the rays containing these particles are known as alpha rays. He passed alpha rays through this gold foil and placed a screen behind this that gold foil. Now he observed some things, that he observed that most of the alpha rays that are passing straight through the gold foil, that is striking the screen straight behind that of gold foil. So he observed that there is no deflection in many of the rays. He also observed that some rays are showing some deflection. This was very expected result, since there is some positive charge presence. That means there are some positive charge are present in an atom. So deflection was very much expected in this experiment. But the third point, he observed that some of the rays, very few rays, have experienced the bouncing back of the rays. That means they deflected back by 180-degree and bounced back. This showed that some positively charged body is present, to which when a ray is striking, it is coming back. Therefore he stated and he observed few things, that there is most of the space inside an atom is empty. since most of the rays are passing straight through it, since they are positively charged body, if this model was true, then this have whole positively charged cloud. But when an alpha particle will strike this atom, what happen? Most of the part is positively charged, it will strike back, but all the positively charged particles pass through the atom. That means it have most of its space that is empty. Second thing, he observed that the positively charged particles are present in the smallest unit present in the center, which is a nucleus. That means a nucleus is consist of positively charged particles and neutral particles, which were named as neutron. Now the third thing he observed, that the electrons are also present. We know that the negatively charged bodies are present, these are electrons. So he explained their what we can say, their orbit or their movement or their presence in that atom. So he explained that an electron is moving in an orbit around the nucleus. That means it have its orbit in which an electron is moving around what? Around the nucleus, that is positively charged center. Now this experiment also had some drawbacks. The drawback was he can't explain the circular motion of the electron. Since the electron is in circular motion, it gains some acceleration, and due to acceleration it will excite. The excited state of the electron will make the atom unstable. So he was unable to explain the stability of the atom. This was the drawback present in this experiment. Else it explained all the factors regarding the atom. I hope you understood about this topic. Thank you so much.